Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my popcorn shrimp. So for this you are going to be needing 2 eggs, and I will be using half a teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of my Slep Your Mama seasoning. If you guys are looking for this, I purchased this at Walmart, so go ahead to your local Walmart and try to find this. And if you don't have it, you can just use salt and pepper. And I have half a cup of flour and half a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, half a cup of milk, and I have some deveined tail off shrimp that I'll be using. And you'll be needing some oil and a pan to fry your shrimp. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, to get started, you want to go ahead and take your egg and put it into that milk and mix that pretty well. Just like that. And then you want to go ahead and grab your breadcrumbs, and I'm going to put the half teaspoon of paprika and half teaspoon of Slep Your Mama, and you want to mix that really well. You can either use your hand, clean hands of course, or you can use a silverware to do it. So now you want to go ahead and put everything to the side, and now we can start doing our coating. So you want to use one hand for dry ingredient, one hand for the wet stuff. You don't want to mix them, otherwise you will have a nice big old mess. So we want to start with dipping the shrimp into our flour. Of course our shrimp is already clean, and then you want to dip it into the wet stuff, and then now you want to coat it with that breadcrumbs, just like that. And then just shake off the excess and set it to the side. Again, you want to go into this, and I totally did what I told you guys not to do. You see that? And then get into the wet, and then switch like I should have done the first time, and then put it to the side. So at least I give you guys an example of what not to do. Alright, so I'm going to continue doing the rest, and then we can come back and then I'll start the frying process. Alright guys, I have my oil nice and hot. I want to make sure I mention to you guys, my breadcrumb was already seasoned. I just wanted to add some extra seasoning. That's why I only add half a teaspoon of each of those seasoning. So now you want to go ahead and place your shrimp in your oil. Again, it's pretty hot, and it should take about a minute to a minute and a half for your shrimp to cook fully. And you do not want to overcrowd this at all, because we want it nice and crispy. So I'm going to put about this much. Like I said, it should take about a minute or two for it to cook. Alright guys, my popcorn shrimp is all done. I went ahead and made a little sauce. This is sriracha and mayonnaise. I used the olive oil mayonnaise and a little bit of lime juice, and then I just mix it all together, and I think it tastes so good with the popcorn shrimp. And I have a piece of lime, and then I went ahead and pretty up my plate with a little bit of parsley flake. But I want to go ahead and try one for you guys, so I'm going to dip it in the sauce and try it. As you guys can see, my shrimp still look nice and juicy, and they're still crispy. So this is definitely one of my favorite things to eat. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to check out my Instagram page, Facebook, and also my other YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.